Feeling lonely at night is an experience that everyone goes through. It's just you and your phone, and then there's just silence. There's nothing. You have nobody to support you. There's no one to comfort you, no one to talk to. Your body and your mind are just absolutely exhausted, and your confidence just takes a hit. Your ego wears off, and your guard is down. You feel so vulnerable during the night because, unlike the day, you are surrounded by people and at least you are distracted by something that keeps you away from these negative thoughts. Like, there's really nothing to do during the nighttime other than scrolling on your phone or just sit there in complete silence. And the ironic thing is that we are connected more than ever through social media. We can legit just open up our phone and connect with our friends. But social media has made us even more lonelier at night. Like, don't lie to yourself. You doom scroll, you scroll through TikTok and Instagram reels to suppress that lonely feeling. And maybe it's time to admit that your parents were right. It really is that damn phone. Your phone doesn't cure your loneliness. It just distracts you from the void, and in the long run, it makes everything worse. It's like a painkiller. The pain is still there. You just don't feel it because your phone distracts you. But the problem is that when we feel lonely at night, we fall into this trap of chasing things that we can't have. We convince ourselves that, having a beautiful girlfriend or a boyfriend, having a luxury car is going to fix our loneliness. But these physical and tangible objects cannot fix an internal void that is within you. You cannot fix something that is internal with an external object. Because the truth is, your mind simply wants what it cannot have. You chase these ideal fantasies at night, and that is never ever going to bring you true happiness. Now, some people may ask, will being in a relationship help? Because couples, they will call each other at night. My answer to that, to be honest, is yes, it can help. But if you're not in a relationship, chasing one just because you feel lonely is not the right solution. The mistake that most single people do is that they chase relationships because they feel lonely at night. It is not going to fix your problem in the long term. Relationships are not meant to cure your loneliness. They are meant to elevate your life and add more to it. They're not meant to fill something. They're not meant to fix you up. But the real solution that can fix your loneliness at night is practicing self-love and being content with yourself. You need to learn to appreciate the things you have and who you are as a person. Now, I can give you a quick exercise to practice gratitude. Forget everything else that has happened in the past and forget everything else that is going to happen in the future. Currently, it's just you in your room and me having a conversation together. Now look around you and take note of everything that you can appreciate in your room right now. It can be something like your chair that you're sitting on, or the bed you're sleeping on, or the phone you're watching with right now. Be completely present in the moment and condition your brain to find peace in the stillness. That is one of the best traits that you can have to fix your loneliness. Being comfortable in silence and stillness. And fill your brain with positive thoughts, because most people lack self-love. Be confident in who you are, and while it's completely normal to look at your weaknesses and think that you have many flaws, you should take time to recognize your good qualities and appreciate yourself. Are you becoming healthier? Are you chasing your dreams? Are you working towards your goals? And if the answer is yes, you are improving. That is what's most important. You are becoming better as a person. Another way to deal with this loneliness is that you need to dedicate your energy into creative hobbies that leave you proud. When you have these creative hobbies, for example, you can draw, you can write, or you can even record YouTube videos. It doesn't matter what it is. It is for your future self to look back and think, wow, I was able to create many things. Because it gives your brain physical proof that you are able to create things, that you have a talent, and that you have unique qualities that make you, you. It's very easy for our brain to forget all the good qualities that we possess. So it's very important to remind ourselves by having these physical and tangible objects that our eyes can see to remind ourselves who we are. And another underrated thing that tackles late night loneliness is having a reliable social circle, because you do not need to navigate life alone. You do not have to suffer through this loneliness during the night. So build a good social circle that you can genuinely rely on, and look for friends that leave you energized after a long day. And if you want to make sure you're friends with the right people, I believe I have a video covered on this topic. But if you are struggling with negative thoughts, do not bottle them up. Life is already stressful enough. Instead of sitting there yourself isolated and just beating your mind up with all these negative thoughts. Now, if you are currently unable to find a friend that you can open up to, you can practice journaling. You can write the things down, because it will help you let all your thoughts just pour out into the book. And how you feel at night also depends on what you did during the day. If you had a day which you can look back and say, it was absolutely amazing, you will go into the night and you can reflect on the productive day that you had with pride. And to have a productive day, it doesn't have to be work. It can just be a simple hangout with friends, or getting lost in a hobby that you enjoy so much. Or even better, if you want to get rid of the loneliness, you can be even more productive during the night. You can prepare for tomorrow before you sleep. For example, picking out the clothes that you're going to wear. You can plan your meals that you're gonna cook for tomorrow. Just keep your schedule busy so that you have a sense of purpose, because loneliness usually comes from a lack of purpose. If you don't have a goal that you're actively chasing or working towards, you will feel like there is no meaning in life, which makes you feel lonely. And the most important thing, if you don't want to feel lonely at night, sleep earlier, because when you're sleeping, you have no time to be feeling this loneliness. Like, sleeping late literally causes depression, because nothing good happens at night. Your brain is emotional, it is tired, it does not want to be awake. So don't listen to your brain at night. Instead, you should wind down, give your brain its deserved rest. You can do this by reading a simple book, or meditating and being present in the moment, and put the phone away. It is draining the energy out of your brain. Life is too short. Life is too short for you to feel stressful. And if you're feeling stressful and you're feeling lost in life, I am going to link some videos which you should watch. And I'm not going to force you to like or subscribe, because you can do that if you want. But don't listen to the thoughts that come into your brain at night, because you are in a lonely, desperate state. So make sure to sleep early and prioritize your rest, and focus on the good things that happened during the day so that you do not feel lonely at night.